So, hello everybody! It's been a while since I uploaded some videos because I had to work a lot lately. So sorry for that, but it's been very nice to see that the channel grew even further during my absence. So thank you very much to each and every one of you who subscribed and liked. Before I uploaded the paradiddle play-alongs, I told you how to play Solo 2 of my book. Now I'm gonna show you Solo 3. And as usual, I'll start with some exercises for Solo 3 and then I will show you the whole Solo 3 and will upload play-alongs for that solo from 50 to 120 BPM so that you can practice it and improve your speed. And by the way, when you see these exercises you might think, well, that sounds pretty boring to me, or well, that's too easy for me. But in that case, slow down, or actually speed it up, because here's how some of those licks would sound when you play them faster. Or this one. Or this one.
That was easy.
Okay, let's start. Here are the first 4 exercises. The first one is pretty simple, but it shows you how to count those 16th notes, okay?
Okay.
So here's the first one. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Alright? Here's the second one. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Let's move on with the third exercise. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Number 4. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise number 5. Okay, let's go. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Okay, exercise number 6. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Let me show you how, for example, exercise number 7 would sound if you would play it faster, okay? 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 and E, 4. Exercise number 7. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E. Last but not least, exercise number 7. 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E, 1 E and E, 2 E and E, 3 E and E, 4 E and E.